Slow.
You know what? I should have done. Focus on this.
Club, keep going. That's it. Perfect, perfect.
And what we're going to do, turn it back on that way. Just got to go down and touch the road for the seconds.
Slow and stop, yeah.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. Here we go. See?
Stop.
We've done a house full of trickle vents in here, anthracite, grey and white. 701 rail colour, 703 I think. Basically that's on there. 2 on there, 2 on there, none on that one, 2 on there, 2 on there, then 2 down the side and 1 at the back, and they look real nice. First time we fitted these ones. Lewis is just cleaning now. Lewis is just finishing it off. They're really nice, they're nice looking vents. Show you them. I haven't done these ones before. These are different vents. The clients picked these ones themselves. As you can see, they're really nice, slim fit. You know, like really nice. So they open, and then when you're bored of if you want to close them, you can close them completely. Unlike the Simon's ones that we normally fit, these have actually got a foam backing on the back, so you can get that nice seal when they're done. So 2 options now then, it looks like. You won't just be doing the Simon's one, we'll do these ones too. If anyone's interested and wants them ones, let us know.